Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove apps from your Shopify store. Removing unused apps can help improve your store's performance. They can clutter your dashboard, so keeping only what you need helps things run smoothly. It is important to know the best way to uninstall apps safely. To remove an app, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, click on App Settings. Here, you will see all the apps you have installed. Click the three dots next to the app you want to remove. Then select Uninstall. This removes the app from your store and can help free up memory. We also want to point out the Sales Channels section. Sales channels are also considered apps. To remove one, click the three dots next to it. Then select Uninstall and make sure you understand the risks before you confirm. That is how we remove apps from a Shopify store. Keeping only the apps you need helps your store load faster and stay organized.